In this video, I will show you how to check in Delta Airlines online. Now, in order to do this, what we can do is you can head over right here to delta.com. And then once you have head over to delta.com, head over right here to the check-in option. Now, in here, you can see that you can find your trip by confirmation number. But if you expand it, you can also find it by credit card number, ticket number, as well as Sky Miles number. For example, let's just choose in here ticket number and then input right here your ticket number and then choose in here the airport that it's gonna depart from. So for example, let's put right here Toronto. Click on it right here and then just proceed with this arrow right here in order to find your flight. And once it's been found, you can head over and then check in. But do take note that they only allow this from 2 days to around 2 hours before departure.